Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone is online and that you can access the App Store or Safari. Once done, install the Gmail app or open Safari and navigate to the Google account creation page. This is the only reliable method on iPhone that preserves mobile flows. Enter your name and choose a unique username because that becomes your Gmail address. Make sure to use a recovery email or phone for account security. This prevents lockout if you forget your password. You now fill in the detailed fields. Pick a username that reflects you and a strong password. Aim for 12 or more characters with letters, numbers, and symbols for safety. Once you enter birth date and gender, Google uses them for age checks and personalization, so be accurate. Add a recovery phone or email to enable two-factor recovery. This dramatically reduces the chance of permanent lockout. Read and accept the terms, and tap Create Account to proceed to verification steps. You finish by verifying identity. Google will send an SMS code or a link to your recovery email. Enter that code promptly to confirm the account. Once verified, choose sync settings so Mail, Contacts, and Calendar appear on your iPhone. Make sure Mail is enabled in Settings Mail accounts. If verification fails, try resending the code, clear Safari or Gmail cache, or use the Gmail app instead of the browser. This fixes most hiccups and lets you sign in immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.